Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. I'm Jessica, and today I'm taking you on a journey. Explore the mesmerizing beauty of the Blanes Beach and its botanical gardens in 2023. From the coast of the Mediterranean Sea to the garden's majestic flora and fauna, get a sense of walking and discovering the wonders of this picturesque place. So come with me and live this unique experience. Don't forget to click the like button and write a comment down below if you enjoyed it, and if you'd like to follow my further journeys and watch inspirational videos like this, constantly subscribe to my channel. We start walking from the marina and traveling through this heavenly spot, observing millions of shades of blue as the sun reflects in the sea, feeling the sand between our toes, and admiring the variety of boats in the Portuguese. We already stand in front of a modern postcard of the Mediterranean. As we move forward and dive more into the world of wonders, we find ourselves in front of the iconic Santa Maria Park, a clear mixture of greenery and contemporary designs, belonging to both the town and the coast. Enjoy this view and take a bit of it with you. Then, we begin our walk towards the Blanes Beach. Here you can find a variety of entertainment options such as water sports, a luxurious area with a cozy beach club, or simply some tranquility in the sand. Take a deep breath, smell and feel the salty breeze, live this dream. We enjoy a delicious lunch from a sea view restaurant. We're in a paradise, sky meets the sea. The only thing left is to dive into it. Are you in? Let's keep exploring through the botanical garden, walking and observing plants from different biomes, or talking about human evolution, getting closer to nature and the impressive views of the city, the volcanoes, and the bay, growing with each step. Finally, we come back to the marina, full with stories, experiences, and memories to never forget. After this brief journey of Blanes Beach in 2023, I truly hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to hear more from you. Don't forget to click the like button and write a comment down below if you enjoyed it, and if you'd like to follow my further journeys and watch inspirational videos like this, constantly subscribe to my channel.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!